guys, good morning. And now we're going to this the hotel where we stay, and this is the swimming pool. This is the reception guys. We are going to the beach. This morning guys, we go to the right side. You know, it's only 6:30 in the morning here. We were there. I was there last time, and now we are going to the right side. You know, some tourists. This beach is only a surfing. You cannot see it's a high waves. You call that high waves. It's it's very strong, so you cannot swim there. See, Yaku is the surfing area. Surfing area. The rent of this, for example, like this, and a table is $20 for two. It's expensive here. Shut up. Hello. My friend tour. He's my travel partner and my closest friend. This is a surfing area, guys. You cannot swim because of the very slow. Come go here. Morning, guys. Good morning. Actually, our beach in the Philippines is more amazing. It's very nice. Costa Rica is a very nice country, but we were in the three beaches. The best for me is Manuel San Antonio, and the other one Playa Blanca. Surfing. No white sun here in Yaku. You must drive half an hour. Uy, hindi bra? I'm very so it's okay, guys. This is Yaku. See? If that's in our place, already swimming. People already swimming early in the morning. But here, no, because this is a surfing area, guys. But few people swimming, but not over there. See, look at that. Tour. See? There's swimming there. There's people swimming. The two persons swimming there. Over there, you can see. No, they have surf. I think they yeah. Surfing area, guys. But sorry, I did that when I was in the Philippines, but no, it's difficult. You must learn surfing if you are a kid. surfing school also. Ay, wow. Look at that. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look, you cannot see. You know, I like, I like the Costa Rican people comparing the Spain, for example. Costa Rican, they said hola, even though the kid, say hola. They are very respectful here. See, that's stones. The stones here. Tomato stones. But only in this area. I think the same in my place, Before no stones and after after many years then the beach changed with change, that's a big changes in our beach where I live in Surigao del Norte. It's more changes our beach, lots of stones. Before it was no stones, and lately lots of stones in the beach, but you can still swim. Wow. Big river. You learn surfing and then you can, from here is as what I told you in my previous video, from the airport, San Jose International Airport, is around 2 hours over. It's so heavy traffic and more than that. My cousin told me that's 4 hours. I couldn't believe that was 4 hours. Look at that. Hello. Uy. Wala. Pwede ba? Maybe the waves. Look at this tree, guys. That way, the old tree. Maybe the waves bring it here. Yeah, it's beautiful. Here is the cost of the food, for example. But we order the food because tour not if much, so we order one for one person, and it's enough, and two piña colada and one beer, and food for one person, but we took two persons for that. It cost 469 crowns. Let's see, 469. Let's see. We will see how many pesos. Mga over 2,000 guys. Pesos. 2,000. 500 times. Yeah, over 2,000. I don't know how much dollar now in Philippines. Let's say 469 times 560, like that. That's the peso, because 1 crown is well into 560 when we left in Norway. Only that's here. I like the other side, guys. You know, here lots of stones. I like the other side. Oh, look at the it's so fun. Yeah. You know, from Norway to we took a plane from Norway to Amsterdam. It's around 1 hour and 25. We were lucky because, you know, not so, no turbulence at all. And then we were waiting there just under 2 hours, and then fly to Costa Rica. It's around 11 hours from Amsterdam to Costa Rica. So, and then we were waiting, and then we drive from San Jose to Yaco. We came here 10:22 in the evening, the same day, you know. There are lots of, I don't know why is it that, that's a good beach here. Oh, I don't know why is it that they make a canal here. Also, okay guys, I will, this is already 13 minutes and 14 minutes already, and I will cut off here. This is the part 1 in Yaco Beach. The other side, you know. It's long promenade, you know. But the other side, I love the other side because not so many stones. Okay. Shout out to all my whitey friends and Facebook friends. Shout out to all of you. And be safe always. God bless.